and they share their models to investor. If their model like to investor, they will invest in entrepreneur's model. So we are performing this activity. Please support us. Thank you. My name is Panjay Datta. Today I am here to play role of Ashwin Grover. He is an founder and CEO of BharatPe. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pooja Garad and I am playing the role of Vinita Singh from our favorite show, that is Shark Tank India, and who is the founder of Sugar Cosmetics.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Balaji Pancha. Today I am playing role of Anupam Mitta. He is founder of Shadi.com.
Hello friends, I am Maheshwari Gandhi. Today I am playing role of Namita Thapar. I am founder of Humcure company of Pharma.
Good evening, Shaz.
Good evening.
Do you like it?
Yes, we like your dance.
Sorry, Shaz. I'm talking about my dance. I'm talking about my Oxy.
Also, we like your Oxy.
Hi, Shaz. Meet my Oxy. Oxy, can you say to Shaz hi?
Hi Shah, how can I assist you?
Thank you, Oxy. Your voice is so nice. Hi, Shaz. Meet Oxy. She is controlled by Oyster also. And this is the speaker model of my company Oxy. Talking about me, I am Vijay Sangram from Latur.
Yes.
Latur, located in Maharashtra state, is a district. I am graduated in computer science in 2016. And I am after that I worked 2 years in my MNC company as a developer engineer. After that I took a knowledge about manufacturing devices, electronic devices mainly. And that time I concluded in the market that manufacturing devices like speakers and electronic devices, they are so expensive as compared to other brands. So that's the time I realized that it's a blank between our market. So I introduced this less price my Oxy. Here is the ask for my Oxy, 70 lakh with 50% of equity. Can you come with me to Grow India?
Atul, first of all, welcome to Shark Tank.
Thank you, sir.
I really like your dance. It was nice, and also I like your Oxy's voice. This is nice.
Thank you.
Can you show me your product?
Yes, of course. This is the main product, and we have lots of models in this. We are also working in wireless models, right?
It is nice in build quality. I like it quality.
Yes.
When did you start your business?
In 2018, I dropped my MNC company job and I started working with Oxy.
How did you get this idea to making this headphone?
Well, I am in shopping mall with my colleagues.
Yes.
So my one of colleague wanted to buy a speaker, and he goes to Google Home blog in mall there. So he goes to there and asks what is the price of Google, and basically that is ruined his mind. Actually, the cost started from 6,000, and after side of that there is Alexa from Amazon, and that also basic price started from 5,000.
Yes, also I use this.
Yes. That's very costly
Yes.
for middle class in India. So that time I put it mind in my idea. So bring that in low cost Oxy.
Okay.
Talking about unique, we are go through this multi connectivity option like wireless Bluetooth, aux cable connectivity, micro SD also, and it's a big, it's a compatible and portable device. If you only charge for 2 hours, it will go up to playback time is 10 hours. No any engagement in that.
Why did you choose your product?
Thank you, sir, for the question. It's a very key. While I am in graduation, I used to do spoken class in that area. So that time there is activity on group activity that actually down group activity, and we choose the main show of India, Shark Tank India, and there we present the imaginary model of Oxy in that show. So basically, Oxy is come from my spoken class name, Oxy Bridge.
Okay, this is nice.
Yes,
I also remember about spoken classes. No, this is consequences. I
Yes.
think so.
Thank you.
The teacher was very nice.
Of course.
It is like the communication skill is very nice.
yeah,
I really like
you
it.
should see that on me.
I also know him. What an excellent speaker he is.
No doubt.
So Atul, I liked your product very much.
Thank you, Nizam.
Did you design it by yourself?
For designing purpose, I have a team for that, and they are best of the institute from India.
Okay. How many members are there?
For manufacturing, we have 50 members of there. They work hard time.
Where do you manufacture your product?
My manufacturing unit, my product in my hometown. I have 90 acres of land in my hometown. So one acre for that we use it for manufacturing.
Okay, I have some question for you that I would like to invest in your product.
Of course, sir.
What does it cost to make?
Basically, it costs 3,000 for making.
Okay, that's why. How will you compete with competitor?
Basically, competitors are so expensive. This is so broad middle class mind in using transaction of time. You know, Google started from home. As I already tell that Google's home is there in market. Actually, the cost only from 6,000, and Alexa also cost from 5,000. So this is a huge market between this price and Google branded price.
Yeah, you are right. I also buy this like course.
Okay, already you are investing in it.
Yeah, I like it. I have one question for you. Is this bootstrapping company?
Of course, this is a bootstrapping company. This is what started with my father.
Yeah, you are right. Father is always support us.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Tell me, Adul, what did you cost to your product?
Actually, from basic model we charge 4,000 in market.
Don't you think this is very high price?
No, ma'am. Because if you go to Google, he will give you a rate like giving 6,000, and Alexa also.
So can you reduce this in future?
In future, it will be think of from you if you invest in me.
Where did you sell product?
We have two types of selling unit. We have sell online and also offline. Online we have tie-up with Flipkart and also Amazon, and we have own website also. And for offline, we have plenty of stores in Maharashtra and across all states in India.
How many shops are present in all over India?
Across it will be shows 100 and 200 in between sales also.
It is nice quantity.
Yes, sir.
What is your valuation?
Talking about valuation is 5 crores, sir.
Okay. What is your target audience?
We basically investor and those are blow they are those people those mind blow in a sound. Basically, I started for them.
Who is your biggest competitor?
My biggest competitor is Alexa and Google Home, and no one else.
Will you compete with this company?
Oh yes, I am actually in the market now. So please focus on me, Google and Alexa for listening this.
What are your goals and in future?
Future, I would like to take this company in all over the countries with the help of you. If you
What were your sales last year?
talk Talking about last year, so due to pandemic situation, we are so minus, no in minus, but we are kind of less in a sale. And talking in numbers, it will be 60 lakh.
And what about last month's sales?
Those numbers are so many, so better during, because we are now back into normality and all started as normal. So basically stores are open all over the India and we compete with 15 lakh rupees last month. Thank you.
What is your gross and net profit? Gross profit इस पेन की कीमत 10 रुपए है, तो इस पेन की कीमत को बनाने के लिए, इस पेन को बनाने के लिए 10 रुपए नहीं लगते। इसका रॉ मटेरियल की कीमत होती है 5 रुपए और इसका जो एक्सपेंसिव इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसिव रहता है उसकी कीमत होती है जो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कहते हैं और बाकी के जो हमारे जेब में 3 रुपए रहते हैं उसे नेट प्रॉफिट कहते हैं।
Thank you, ma'am. Talking about gross profit, we have a 55% of gross profit and net profit is 20%.
Do you have patent for this product?
Of course, ma'am. I have a patent on this, basically for Visor.
Guys, patent means an exclusive right granted by government to an investor to use or sell a product for certain number of years. मतलब हम कोई भी प्रोडक्ट कुछ सालों के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं या फिर सेल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कोई और उसे कॉपी नहीं कर सकता। So you have patent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when did you register your patent?
In 2019, I registered this domain.
So do you have any investor?
Right now, my father is the main investor.
Like you say you have invested your father. How much money your father invested?
Basically, I told you it's a bootstrap company. For starting, they invested 20 lakhs in that.
And how much money did you spend in this product?
Basically, now for manufacturing purpose, it goes up to around figure 1 crore.
Thank you, Atul.
Thank you,
We
ma'am.
liked your product.
Thank you, ma'am.
I just give you a remind that your offer was 70 lakhs for 10% equity.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So,
Guys, equity means nothing but the share of company. जो अपनी कंपनी के शेयर होते हैं उसे इक्विटी कहते हैं।
I would like to give you an offer
Thank you.
which is 70 lakhs for 20% equity.
Thank you, Vinita, for your offer. I would like to hear from our shakas.
Also, one offer that is 19% equity for 70 lakh.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, I have one offer 70 lakh for 60% equity.
Thank you, ma'am, for your offer. And welcome to the journey. Welcome to the party.
I have an offer, but first give me one answer. Do you want your money?
This
Why do
money,
you want your money?
this money actually goes to worldwide manufacturing unit. I would like to spend this amount on manufacturing unit in state of Maharashtra and also existing state of Maharashtra for better communication and marketing.
So I give you 40% equity and 70 lakh.
Okay. Thank you for your offer, sir.
I would give you 12% equity.
Also, I have an offer better than him. देख बंदे, मेरा भारत पे का QR है, तुझे तो पता है, और ओवर इंडिया में हर एक दुकान पे मेरा QR कोड लगा हुआ है। देख, तेरा स्पीकर मैं हर एक दुकान पे रख सकता हूँ और तेरी ब्रांड बना सकता हूँ। तो मैं लास्ट एक ऑफर देना चाहता हूँ। तुझे लगता है आना है तो आ, नहीं तो देखते। 11% इक्विटी और 70 लाख।
I would like to think about
देख भाई, QR कोड लगाने से नहीं होता कि बिजनेस है। देख इधर देख, सबसे ज्यादा कंपनी यूज करने वाला एक ही बंदा है, वो है मैं। हाँ, तो तू चूज कर किसके साथ आना है। हाँ,
if talking about that, I would like go with how you blew my mind in the numbers.
देख, शादी में स्पीकर का क्या काम है? वो तो बड़े-बड़े स्पीकर लगाते हैं, छोटा स्पीकर कौन लगाएगा? हाँ? और इन दोनों का इनका तो इनमें कुछ भी एक्सपर्टीज नहीं। वो शुगर का, उनका तो मेकअप का सामान रहता है, और इनका फार्मा का। वो फार्मा कंपनी में स्पीकर क्या करेंगे लगा के? एम्प्लॉय को क्या डांस करवाना है क्या हमको? तुझे तो पता है किस एरिया में कितनी सेल होती है, वो मुझे सब पता है, सब डाटा है मेरे पास। तो देख आना है तो आ, नहीं तो
I will give you a number 70 lakhs for 10% equity.
20 lakh
देख तुमने पहले जो बोला था उसी पे मैं आ गई हूँ।
हाँ यस
अगर तुम्हें और किसी शहर की बात सुनने की जरूरत थी तो मैं चेक फाड़ दूंगी, मैंने चेक लिख लिया है।
नो मैम प्लीज
टेक योर टाइम वी टॉक।
थैंक यू सर
I have any expectation in this area, so I am
ओके
देख चेक फाड़ रही हूँ मैं।
मैम सुनने तो बनाएंगे ऑफर एक बार
देख इनसे अच्छा ऑफर है हमारे पास, जो लगता है तो आ, तेरे साथ 2 साल का रहे तो हम तुझे एक्सपर्टीज भी देंगे और तेरा बिजनेस भी बढ़ाएंगे। तो और ऑफर इज 10% इक्विटी 70 लाख 2 साल का है।
तो मैं चेक फाड़ रही हूँ।
मैम
विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस, आई क्विट।
अब देख तेरे पास कोई शार्ट नहीं, ऑप्शन नहीं, तुझे आना पड़ेगा।
कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प मी ऑफर सर कैन यू
10% इक्विटी 70 लाख 2 साल का है।
would you come to 8% of equity with 10 lakh 70 lakhs? This is my only request to you, sir. I know this product is very blowing market. If you come with me, you know, that share is mine. You know, if I give that share, you know, it's hard earning for me.
Also I know ये तेरा सब दोगलापन हो रहा है। अभी हम ऑफर दिए थे और बड़ा इतना है।
Actually,
सिर्फ तेरे पास 2 साल के आना है तो आप, नहीं तो हम भी चेक फाड़ देंगे इनके साथ।
no, ma'am. Also, I would like to come with